What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on XYO, which has been pumping like crazy over the last 24 hours. As you can see, 35% up, making it just under the 1 cent target. It wasn't even in the last 24 hours, I would say in the last 5, 6, 7 hours it pumped up in value from 0.007 to right now sitting at 0.009, nearly hitting the 1 cent target. So what has caused this pump? Is it going to drop back down in value? Is it going to keep going up? Is it too late to buy? I'm going to try and cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its next prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and looking at is there a crypto worth investing into. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is up just over 2% in the last 24 hours, and XYO has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list. As you can see, in the last hour it has gained just over a percentage. Over the last 24 hours, 35%. Over the week, 13%. Most of the week it was dropping in value, as you can see, in a slow and steady pace, but pumped up in value over the last couple of hours. And over the month it is 46% up. We did have a major pump here back in late July, hitting over the 1 cent target, hitting 0.0166, and then ever since then it's been doing nothing but dropping in value all up until earlier today, where it's had quite of a major pump. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 841% in the last 24 hours, making it $8.7 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on XYO. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see, 92% buy against only 8% sell. So yeah, we've got way more investors investing into it rather than people selling the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the SMA indicator, which is a purple line running across the chart, which gives us the average value of XYO, which at the moment is sitting at 0.0086. However, it is trading at slightly higher value at 0.0098, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, of course we are going to have the blue line and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction, and looking quite steep as well. They are very steep, meaning it's not very realistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. It has confused the graph and it's made it think, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, when that is not the case. I'm expecting red candles over the next couple of hours. We can see red candles here and there in between, even though yes, it's likely to go over the 1 cent target over the next couple of hours. We are also going to see dips. We are also going to see red candles dropping below the 0.0095 target, or even below 0.009. So by midday tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting it to be trading at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. So I'm expecting an overall decrease in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now moving on to the hourly chart, exact same. We've got two steep lines going in a bullish direction, which once again is not realistic. According to the graph, over the next couple of next couple of days, so towards the end of next week, we are going to keep pumping in value quite consistently. But again, that is not true, that is not realistic. I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming days. So towards the end of next week, we should be back down below 0.0075 to 0.008, somewhere in between there. Again, that does not mean we're going to be hitting red candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's green, days when it's red. It's going to be up and down. But once again, the overall outcome, I'm expecting it to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So again, guys, do expect an overall decrease in value on XYO over the coming days. And again, those of you who are currently investing into it for the short term, do bear in mind that it is a very risky time to get into it, because yes, I know it's been pumping up in value. A lot of people are going to get into it thinking, you know what, it's going to keep pumping and so on, but it is a risky time to invest into it, because I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming hours and coming days as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, as you can see, we are not looking as bullish as the previous charts, meaning it's performing, not performing, but is looking much more realistic. The blue line is going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, and the orange line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction, as you guys can clearly see here. So meaning an overall very minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting over the coming weeks. So late September to early October, I am expecting an overall increase in value on XYO. But again, nothing major. It is going to be a minimal increase in value over the coming weeks. But again, obviously, it all depends on how the crypto market performs, with major crashes, major drops, or major bull runs or price bumps, which are not expected. So guys, as most of you know, Bitcoin has a major impact on the crypto market. If Bitcoin is pumping, we are going to see most cryptos pumping. However, if Bitcoin is dropping in value quite a bit, we are also going to see most cryptos dropping in value. So what I have done for you guys is made a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single day, on what to expect, what to predict, what price target is likely to hit, and I also show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. So if you guys want to take part in my Telegram group chat, the link to that will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and after that it will increase to $29.99. And guys, over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before this discount code expires. So what does this subscription exactly include? So you're going to get put into two group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and also I give you guys price predictions on Bitcoin, as you guys can clearly see here, and I give you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. Again, if you guys have any questions or any queries before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, once again, the link is again in the description box down below. And now back to XYO. So as you can see, we are trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since about early April this year, and we've been getting worse and worse and worse. Yes, there's been pumps here and there, as you can see, pumped up in late July. Literally pumped up in value, dropped back down. It's having another pump here, but I'm expecting it to drop back down in value as well. So most of this year and next year is very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. For us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least 2 cents, meaning we're going to have to go through just over about 100 to 200% increase in value, which I'm not expecting from XYO anytime soon. So more or less, guys, we are going to be stuck in the red zone for most of this year and potentially most of next year as well. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on XYO, guys. Let me know what your expectations and what your predictions are. How high or how low do you guys predict XYO to hit in 2022? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.